Maxxon Commercial Isolate. Well, first of all, what is it? So it's a two-part water-based epoxy that gets applied to the concrete in much the same fashion as if you were painting the surface. So when part A gets mixed into part B, it comes out into a matte red color. And that's done by design. So that red color allows you to see if you've missed any spots. And it's a unique formula in that it will lock down any contamination that could migrate out of that slab. You know, chemicals that are used for the chemical abatement process, for sure, but really anything else that could be deemed to be a contaminant. Another example would be, you know, we just did a project at a Department of Public Works garage. Part of that garage was being turned into an office space. So you can imagine they were parking, you know, township vehicles in there over years, and you get oil leaks, grease, gas spills, whatever. And even though you shot blast the surface, that's taking off a very thin layer of the top of the concrete off. But there's, over time, you don't know how deep those contaminants may have absorbed into the slab. So just by spot treating those areas, not even the whole surface, but spot treating the most concentrated areas with the isolate helps lock down that oil or grease from ever coming back out of that slab and ultimately affecting your new installation. Inherently, though, it has great moisture mitigation properties as well, right? Because as you can imagine, the carrier of these contaminants out of the slab would be moisture. So it has moisture mitigation properties as well, which is why I think the next point of focus with that product is to call attention to the fact that it could be used in place of some of the more labor-intensive moisture mitigation products.